St. Francis de Assisi High Secondary School Mawlai Canton Masar gave a warm send-off to Class 10 and 12 at a glittering farewell program held today. On this occasion, the teachers were given extra money as a token of appreciation for their hard work that they have put in for ensuring quality education to the school, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, when the revenue of the school was at the lowest ebb. The day was marked with giving of report cards to the students from nursery to class 9. The program began with Bible reading by Sister Pilar, and the invocation for God's blessing was done by one of the sisters. The program was marked with school's anthem, followed by welcome speech by the principal of the school, Brother Anand. Speaking on the occasion, the chief guest Cornelius M. Pasa, the Secretary General of Vocation Commission of the Catholic Archdiocese, Shillong.
Jong kini kita school jong St. Francis. Namar kita school jong ini ang ni kira yo ban swap ye dijingkren manula kapor manula kasni. Na dijingkren jong principal na dijingkren jong inong hekai. Tengah tarai lada simtia ban pusan ban minat ban penteri kami ya kita ki ATA tiba ki niki kena school ki kun jangi lele kila skor bha kila long di bawah piang palak adu kata-kata kekenjat hakan kapor la sodan kamro ban keren pat ya ki pa jong kini kita school kita dan hari ni kapor hari ni kejaka. Ke tang kata apa orang kami ni bagai ni kejung kerja tam jauh ke nang hikai. Kita lembut pada tahun Shillong kumta kadi kejung kerja tam jauh ke nang hikai. Hoi hari ni kesini ke bamenta. Nak banta usok begini kita setuju yakin sakit. Kempek unsarang usok ubat tiang.
The chief guest of honor, Mrs. P. Lingdo, and other dignitaries gave away the mementos to the students.
Here is a
Bring that ass back like a boom boom.